I know what I wanted. I know what you want. We want our myelin back. We've lost to MS. It placed so many obstacles in my way. One of the biggest was conquering sleep, which is weird. I mean, I never thought about the importance of sleep until I developed MS. But the fog of MS, fatigue entered my life, and sleep shot up to the top of my list. Do you ever wonder the function of your dreams? Are they there trying to tell you something? Do they try to help restore your myelin? Something's new happened. Hey, it's Steve. I don't know what initiated my focus in such an obvious way. I think one night I just decided to crank it up. And when I did that, I woke up the next morning in such a profound mental state. Call it a happy mistake that changed everything moving forwards. So I guess I was holding a little secret, but the secret is I bought a new version of my earbuds, sleep earbuds. While they recommend it's probably not a good thing to wear them, recommend wearing most earbuds while you sleep. These are specifically designed to do just that. I'll put a link down in the description if you want to pick up a pair yourself. On the Amazon page, the description reads, "Designed for sleep. The 2-layer flange ergonomic earbud tips are made of soft silicone. They have a low profile and are designed to fit snugly in ear, even for side sleepers," which is me. The tight fit of the earbuds seals your ear canal from external physical sounds, resulting in passive noise reduction. What is important is what I'm playing throughout the night. Pink noise. Pink for a good reason. It combines a louder high frequency noise with softer low frequency noise, resulting in a sound that is more even and less layered. So, it's less like white noise and more like brown noise. But it's better than that. It's a perfect blend between the two. The benefits are great. They're so great. It's shown in scientific studies that pink noise synchronizes the entire brain during deep, slow-wave sleep. It's like when you go back and forth between slow wave and rapid eye movement might hold the key to making myelin. Because REM sleep, rapid eye movement, scientific studies have already shown that it makes myelin. Like a tasty cake, there is another layer. We all have stem cells in our bone marrow. While their activity definitely drastically drops as we enter adulthood, they are still there and they are still active. So much so, there is a term coined from the phenomena. It's called adult neurogenesis. In the adult brain, these stem cells become more silent and dormant. They reduce their capacity for renewal and differentiation. As a result, neurogenesis decreases significantly with age. but all hope is not lost. This symbiotic relationship between stem cells and sleep is more intertwined than it may seem. They are deeply linked and work in tandem when it comes to myelin creation. I know this is the case. I know it because I'm experiencing it. So I know this is true. Sleep has transformed my struggle of sleep from almost giving up to something I genuinely look forward to each and every day. Throughout the years, I've devoted myself to it, even in those early dark years of not getting good sleep at all. I was still devoted. And I've slowly progressed. And now it's like an avalanche. I'm reaping the benefits. Let's say I'm reaping the fruits of the harvest now. I'm doing all I can. I prioritize sleep above practically everything else. The physiological changes during sleep are believed to promote a suitable microenvironment for stem cells to proliferate, migrate, and differentiate. So, what little stem cell activity I have coming from my bone marrow, I am grasping onto it and I'm pulling as much out of it as I can. Let me talk to you. If you feel like you've lost hope with your multiple sclerosis, take heart. I've been there. I've had all the same problems you have. But I know where you are right now is not the end. Not at all. I want you to join me. I always kept my eye on the goal. Have you lost sight of it? How is your sleep doing? Do you feel like your MS is getting better or worse? I believe in you. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.